So, for those of you who are wondering whether this is a big mistake, I think I've also gone through this whole turmoil for a very long time. Um, I've also wondered whether I've made a mistake. Some people have asked me whether I've regretted this. I think during the first 12 months of leaving medicine, it was really tough. I was really struggling with all this guilt and shame of whether I made a mistake. But after that, now I realize that no, I don't regret it anymore. I used to have a sense of regret for leaving because I was so good at what I was doing, and now I had to start all over again. But then I realized that life is dynamic and there are always stages. When you want to grow, you have to let go of what you are currently so that you can get to another position that you want. A lot of us got into medicine because we have good grades, want to contribute, serve the community, but there's no one size fits all. And there are many ways to contribute and serve. We just need to be a little bit more creative. I know what it feels like to be trapped thinking that this is the end of the world, but really, if you give it time, you will be able to achieve what you've set your mind to. And knowing that you are not alone and you can join others in this journey is incredibly empowering and uplifting. So, one of the things that I think is really important is to keep improving yourself, keep investing yourself, and keep upskilling and reskilling yourself. Because when I left, I really had to have this huge mindset shift from a very fixed mindset, a very protected being in the government, to someone who has a growth mindset, who is ready to adapt, to embrace, to learn, to experience new experiences. And I had to be ready to invest in my own learning. One message I would leave with all of you is that if all else fails, you can always go back to doing what you're doing and become a doctor again.